welcome to the Koziar Performance Tuning YouTube channel. This is an automotive enthusiast channel where we work on cars, motorcycles, trucks, and anything in between. So please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future content. Also, please be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter so you can see behind the scenes and to stay up to date with what we're doing. And again, a big, huge thanks for stopping by and checking us out. See you on the next one.